You can choose to fit your mood. Relax. Enjoy power driver and front passenger seats that adjust in every direction and provide gentle massage. Feel it working? Surround yourself with the hottest sounds by your favorite artists. Feel the power of available Sony premium surround sound. Voice activate your life with Sync. Control your music, phone, and other personal media devices. Find points of interest, get scores, check the weather, and stay clear of delays. In the event of an unavoidable accident where the airbags are deployed, Sync will even call the local 911 service. You can have a car that gives you all of this and more. The new 2010 Ford Taurus. Drive one at your local Ford dealers to continue the journey.